is Christy, and I will be with you for today's session. Today we will be looking at some E-words. Today you have to explain the meaning and make sentences with the following 5 words. We have electrician, electromagnetic, element, elevation, and illicit. So let's start off with Arush first. Arush, can you please introduce yourself, tell us a bit about your day, and move on to today's topic, please.
Yes, ma'am. My name is Arush Kumar. I studied in class 6 at my school name is Delhi Public School, Nagar, Kolkata, and my favorite hobby is playing and
Excellent. And what did you do with your day today, Arush?
Yes, ma'am. Today first I woke up in the morning and I went to school, then I came back, and I joined some video online classes, then I joined the class.
Okay, very good. And can you start with today's words?
Yes,
Yes,
what?
Arush? Can you start with today's words, please?
Oh, just a minute, ma'am. Yes. So the first word is electrician. Actually, electrician, it means wait a second. As ma'am, electrician means like install or yes, ma'am. Electrician is a noun and it means the person who installs and maintains electrical equipment. And for this, the sentence is an electrician got current from the.
Can you move closer to the mic? Because everything sounds really muffled, Arush.
Yes, ma'am. Now.
Yes, better, much better.
And this one.
Can you repeat electrician, please?
Yes, ma'am. Electrician is a noun and it means the person who installs and maintains electrical equipment.
Good. Okay.
And the second word is yes, ma'am. The second word is The second word is electromagnetic. Like it is a field of study something.
Okay,
Wait.
electromagnetic. Yes, continue.
Like in physics, in physics is an interaction that occurs between particles with electric charge via electromagnetic fields. Yes, ma'am, done. I don't have any sentence for this word.
Okay, good.
And then the second and the fourth word is the third word is element. Then element is a noun and it means an essential or
characteristic.
Part of something abstract. And
what could it also be? Element in science.
Ma'am, I don't know science.
An element in the periodic table. Okay. Could be part of the periodic table as well. Could refer to an element, like copper is an element, or sodium, or hydrogen. Okay. Arush?
Yes, ma'am.
Continue.
Yes, ma'am. So the fourth word is elevation. Elevation is a distance above the sea level. Wait a second. My keys have gone mad. Yes. Elevation is a noun and it means the action or fact of raising or being raised to a higher or more important level, state, or position.
Okay, next.
Yes. Her sudden elevation to the school.
Mm-hmm.
And the last word is electric. Electric is a verb and it means evoke or draw out from someone. And for this, I try to elect a sad face, sad face from my friend.
Okay. What did you elicit from your friends?
I'm a sad face.
A sad face. I elicited a sad face from my friends. Not exactly. I would say elicit is more, for example, we use it a lot in teaching elicit. When you elicit it, you try to get the correct answer. Okay. You can elicit a sad face, but I try to elicit a sad face from my friend, but usually elicit a smile to get elicit a sad face. It's a bit strange, but yeah, okay, I'll accept it. I try to elicit a sad expression rather than a sad face. Okay, a sad expression that works better from my friend. Okay, good. Okay, Arish, any more sentences you had to give?
No, ma'am.
Okay, was there one? Did you miss one of the sentences? Did you not do one sentence?
Here's my one sentence about this one. The electromagnetic.
The electromagnetic. Okay, for example, light is part of the makes up the electromagnetic spectrum.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, light is part of the electromagnetic, or red is part of the electromagnetic spectrum. Sorry, the color red would be part of the electromagnetic spectrum, for example. Okay, red and light. Okay, yeah, that's fine. Okay, so let's move on to,
Thank
is
you,
your
ma'am.
mum here?
Wait, ma'am. Let me ask.
Okay, so I'll go to Rajshri, and then if she's joining, she can join. So let's start with Rajshri. Rajshri, can you please introduce yourself and tell us a bit about your day?
Hello everyone, I'm Rajshri from Bihar, working with NCW and the test. So my day was normal. So it's Monday, and the environment is too much. Actually, it's drowsy day actually because the drizzle was there. That's why. So
Mm-hmm.
yeah, the humidity is more. So I am just okay because facing lots of problem due to humidity, sweating and all. Na. So
Oh
yeah.
no, I'm so
Yeah.
sorry about that.
No, 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 it's not about any people or anyone. Just because of the humidity that due to
Ah,
rain,
okay.
rain and so yeah, not good environment actually. So everyone is not good in my city. I think so. It's all for the Bihar people. So
I see.
yeah, we all are facing the environmental
All same
issues.
problems.
Yeah, same. So it's Monday and the 5 words given by the LWT. So the first word is the electrician and the second word is electromagnetic. Third word is element and the fourth elevation. Fifth is the elicit. Yeah, elicit. The first word is electrician. So it's a noun. The meaning of the sentence is a person whose job is to make and repair electrical systems and the equipment. Okay. So the job of any electrician is very tough for their life. The work of the electricity is very risk for any person. Though who are working under the electricity department or any electric work. Yeah? And the second sentence is the second word is electromagnetic, and the meaning of this word is it's adjective, and in physics language, because electromagnetic it's just hearing for the magnetic, so it's a very common. This word is from physics subject. So having both electrical characteristics and the ability to attract the metal object. Okay. So the sentence is for this word is electromagnetic fields can also affect the area and the things nearby too. Okay,
Mhm.
and yeah, the third word is element, and the meaning of this word, it's a noun. Element is a noun, one important part of something. Okay, the sentence is for this word. Sorry. Holidays are important element when we are working in any profession.
Okay,
Yeah.
very good.
The second sentence is for this word is the water intake in your body is important element for your good health. Yeah. Yeah. So the fourth word is elevation. Yeah. It's a noun again, and yeah, it's a noun. And the meaning of this word is the process of moving to a higher place or more important position. Yeah. So the sentence of this word is for the leader always try to reach his elevation to the MLA or to MP. Okay. And the second sentence for this word in any profession, we always try to reach the elevation for the promotion or for different positions. Okay. Yeah. And the second meaning of the elevation is a height of a place above sea level. Okay. So in Mumbai, when I was living in Mumbai for my training period, just for the 6 months, in Mumbai, there is an elevated place area at the back of my hostel.
Mhm.
Yeah. And the fifth word is elicit. Yeah. It's a verb. And meaning of the sentence is to manage to get information, facts, a reaction, etc. from the somebody.
Good, very
It's
good.
yeah, yeah. It's a sort of if we're trying to say, if we try to say this word is for the detective person, not the meaning of the actually this word is a, it's a short form of this word is a simple meaning. The detective.
Detective,
Okay,
sorry, the detective.
detective person because it's a noun. It's a verb. So
To
yeah,
elicit, yes.
yeah,
Like a
yeah,
detective would try to elicit some answers.
yeah.
Yes.
Yeah. So the police should require the energy to elect information about one person for resolving the case.
Yes, he tried to elicit some information to solve the case. Good. I
Yeah,
like that
yeah,
one.
yeah, yeah. And the second sentence is from myself. Actually, yeah, it's a the illicit word is also using in the psychology. So we also use this process, illicit process, just because for the knowing the information in front of the people, the clients, though who are facing the problem. So we always use this word, and it's very confidential for every person just because their non-judgmental attitude and for everything. So if anyone sharing with you something for his personal life related to personal life, professional life, whatever, so you it's a responsibility for keeping secret in your pocket or in your mind or in your heart. So the sentence is for second sentence is for this word. The people easily elicit the information from the other people. It can be an emotional condition. Whenever the people in emotional trauma, facing emotional trauma or anything, so in depression, so they share everything with the people. For that is called also elicit. Yeah, it's not from anyone wants to reach out with your problems. It's not, yeah, reach out with your problems, but this is from your own self because you want to share everything with the every people or whatever the close one with the relatives. So yeah, it's not from one side; it's from both sides actually. Yeah,
Okay. Good. Okay. Very good.
thank you, Christine.
How are you feeling?
Yeah, I'm good.
Okay.
Actually, it's low from inner side just because of the water intake, less water intake. So yeah,
Make sure you
facing
drink.
some,
Yeah.
yeah, using try to more and more water intake due to sweating and all. So there is no air in the environment actually. That's why we all are facing same problem. Nothing else.
Oh gosh. And we'll come back to you, Rashri. We'll go to Kushbu, and then we'll discuss a few words. I want you to discuss between you because you always have very good discussions. So Kushbu, can you please introduce yourself, tell us a bit about your day, and move on to today's topic.
Hi, good evening, Christine. Good evening, Rashri. I am Kushbu. I live in Kolkata, West Bengal, India. I have completed my Master in Science in Botany, and I'm the manager of LWT. Thank you. I wake up at 6 o'clock in the morning. I do exercise, and then I did my household chores. And after that, I make my children ready for school. I cook my breakfast, then take some rest. And after that, in the lunch time, I cook lunch for my family. And then today my children came from school and he started make a project of science and English. And after that, I'm doing your class. Thank you.
Very good. Excellent. So you can start from the first word.
Yeah. First word is electrician, electromagnetic, element, elevation, and illicit. Electrician. Electrician is a noun, a person who installs and maintains electrical equipment. He was an electrician by profession. Second word is the electromagnetic.
Very good.
Electromagnetic is a word.
Electromagnetic.
Electromagnetic. Just wait, Christine.
Yes, that's okay.
It harms the environment actually, if you want to add.
Second word is the electromagnetic. It is an adjective relating to the interrelation of electric currents or fields and magnetic fields. And make sentence of electromagnetic is chemical elements radiate electromagnetic signals. Third word is the element. It is a noun, an essential or characteristic part of something abstract. And it's a mixed sentence of element. It is a new element. Fourth word is elevation. It is a noun, the action or fact of raising or being raised to a higher or more important level. And make sentence of elevation is the city is an elevation of 2000 meters. And fifth and the last word is elicit. It is a verb. Evoke or draw out a reaction or answer or fact from someone. I could elicit no response from him.
Very good. That's
Thank
good.
you.
Excellent. Okay, so let's have a look at some of these words. So have you ever had to elicit anything?
Elicit is like creating or provoking a response to others, or maybe it's a reaction, it's a negative or it's a positive reaction to others. Like I elicit my son all the time.
I elicit a response from my son, yes.
But he didn't he didn't reply.
Mm-hmm.
When he has some work or maybe some, like today he has a lot of project from school, but he's an illicit with me all the time. He's not responding or not reaction. He's just playing with laptop and games. In the evening, I scold him. Why are you not doing your project? I am doing your project. Please come and do. Then illicit is a meaning we can say here. It's a like reaction in any way you want or manage to get information from someone.
Okay, what about you, Rashri?
It's very common for me. Actually, it's my daily process. So related to my clients and the respondents. So if I do the elicit from them, then I all know the information related to their life. For the in the counseling process, it's illicit is very much important, playing an important role for them, because if they share the all the problems, all the good or bad things of their life, then I do much more good work with them. So it's very much confidential for both, because we just mention in the register, nothing else. But that is a very important point, yeah, for my work.
Okay.
And also, I want to share one thing. Elicit is special also for the the piles problem in the medical terms. I want to
Mm-hmm.
share it. In the medical terms, if elicit is very much important also for the doctors. So the piles problem related to the reproduction problem, or anything related to the women, though who are facing all the problems. So the doctor, they share with the doctor. So it's also the illicit process for the doctor and the patient between them. Yeah, illicit. So
Very
confidential,
good.
but they have to share all the problems with them.
Very good. Okay. What about have you ever had to get the electrician over? Let's try that one. Have you ever had an electrical problem? And what's happened?
Last night the
Oh
voltage is
gosh.
high. Yeah, so the AC stabilizer was not working. It's burned from the high voltage. So today they came and they resolved all the problems. They repaired the stabilizer of the AC, and it's working from the evening actually. So we facing all the problems last night. We were facing all the problems last night, yeah, due to humidity and the bad environment.
Okay. Very good. And what about you, Kushbu?
Yes, Christian, please repeat the question.
So have you ever had an electrical problem and needed to get the electrician over?
Yeah, all the time at home. Sometimes fan is not working, sometimes air condition is not working. So make a call to electrician, and he came and do all the electric work.
And Christine, I want to share one thing, one more thing. And Khushbu is also related with me, relate with my example actually in Deepavali, the festival of the lights. So that time we are we will be a electrician that time, because the decoration of the home and the earthen lamps and so many things from the light. So we using the whole the pictures, mm, the screwdrivers, or so many things for repairing the things, the lights on the syringe lights, so many things.
Okay.
Hello,
Hello.
Yes, hello.
Yeah, we can
Khushbu,
hear
are
you.
you yeah? Hello, Khushbu,
Yes, hello.
are you audible?
Yeah, I'm audible. Yeah,
Yeah.
she's saying right about electrician. In the Deepavali, we have lots of work in every India's every home. When we celebrate Deepavali, then we have lots of small lights, colorful lights for decoration of our house, shopping mall, markets, shops, small house, big house, everywhere we just decorate all the items of light. So that time we also doing at home ourselves doing electrician work, and sometimes we call for that work. Please came and do all the decorations at my place.
Okay. And what about an elevation? So what is the steepest elevation that you've had to encounter, Rajshri?
When I was in class 9, okay, so it's a 4 year process. It's not 4 year, it's 2 year actually. So I was in class 8, so I was just a simple march past person, okay, in NCC. So I joined NCC in the class 8 or class 7. I didn't remember. So yeah, I joined the NCC. So I do hard work that time. So hard work for the position of the leader, the march past leader. So in the class 9, okay, after the 2 years ago, I did hard work for the elevation of the leader position. So after that, I was the leader of the NCC. Just for my class, it's section A, B, C, and D in India. There is division, the four divisions of classes. A class is 9A, 9B, 9C, and 9D. So I was the leader of the class 9A and 9C. So yeah,
Okay.
that time
So
NCC leader.
that's type of elevation, that type of
Yeah,
work elevation.
elevation.
But what
Yeah.
about, I mean, elevation in terms of like land elevation, like in geography and topography? Like, what's the steepest elevation that you've ever climbed? Say, did you climb, for example, Kilimanjaro? I'm giving examples here. Do you have maybe a steep hill at that kind of elevation in your town or city? No, it's all flat.
Yeah. No, it's not flat
It's
actually.
not flat. Okay.
So but my experience is not in all the examples. So that's why I'm not sharing with you. So I saw everything, but I didn't experience all the things. That's why I am not able to share with you anything related to
That's
this.
okay.
Yeah.
That's all right. What about you, Kushbu?
Yes, Christine, about elevation.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, elevation is used in the something or raised above a surface or ground line. Maybe in our town, when we live in the maybe in the Kolkata also, it said that height to which something is elevated or to which it rises. Maybe like when rainy season came, then sea level is high from ground level due to rainy. So we said like that elevation is the altitude of a place above sea level or ground level is high in the rainy season, or maybe the height to which something is elevated or to which it rises. Maybe river or maybe sea are elevated in the rainy season. So it's maybe dangerous for ship or maybe for near the house or near the sea breeze or near the sea or near the river. When we have a house, then we just say about that it's a tide time. Please remove all the place in the rainy season due to rain, because when rain is high or maybe it's crossing the limit or temperature or degree, then maybe it's maybe came flood. So elevation is used here.
Mm-hmm. It gets
In
cloud.
Kolkata, yeah, I want to ask something from Kushu actually.
Yes,
So
of course.
in Kolkata, there is a flood problem
Yeah.
in the city area or any area.
No, here is also a what Howrah pool. You know about near
Yeah, yeah.
station, Howrah.
Hooghly
Yeah,
River.
Hooghly
Yeah,
River.
Hooghly
Yeah,
River.
it's
Yeah,
very famous in the Kolkata. So in the
yeah,
rainy season, everywhere is rain. When rain is high, or in the Mumbai also, in the
yeah.
rainy season, then it's like what? It's a red alert high. So no one is going near the sea. No one is going near the river due to high
Mm,
tide.
okay. Because I thought for the flood problem because
Yeah, in
it's
Ara
in
also
Bangalore.
there. In the Ara rest, they also a flood near the Singhi. Yeah, when my childhood we visit there.
Talking about the Ara, it's a
Yeah,
very small
flood
city.
near Singhi. You know Singhi near Bokharapur.
Gandhi area, in the Gandhi area,
Yeah, Gandhi. Flood.
due to the high water level.
High
Yeah,
raining or maybe high alert for
yeah, yeah, yeah.
the river.
It
Yeah,
started with in the month of the July to the
yeah,
September, sometimes the
yeah. It's
October,
rainy season.
November.
The
Yeah,
rainy
yeah,
season, monsoon season, June,
yeah.
July, and August. Yeah, you can see there near the river there
We
was.
will face we will
Yeah,
face after the raining. Yeah, it's the starting the it's a, initial phase of the water, high water, and yeah, it's initial phase. So after that we will face yeah, due to high heavy rainfall. Yeah.
Okay, good guys, excellent. Well done for today's discussion and on the E words. We finally moved another letter. Um, so thank you very much for joining and for discussing between you as well. I look forward to seeing you again tomorrow, and I hope you have a good evening and it gets a bit cooler.
Good evening, Christine.
Thank
Bye-bye.
you,
Thank you
Christine.
guys.
Goodbye.
Bye.
Bye. Bye, Kushbu.